excited, huh? Excited? You can get none of that right now. You can get none of that.
All right, let's go put you in the car, baby girl. Come on, mama. Good. Yep. So today's the last day for Shotzi girl here. Going on to her new home and her new adventure. Stay here, mama. Good girl. Here you go. Good girl. Go train, baby. Yeah, you want to train? Mm-hmm. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, we'll give her one of those bones right when she gets in. Hola. ¿Quién no más?
Shotzi, hop.
Hop. Good girl.
She's driving.
Yeah, go ahead and put that down.
Here you go.
You put that stuff on the floor.
That's this one. No, you got one right there.
Good. All right, brother.
I'll be in touch. Let me know if you need anything.
Just updates and pictures. Everyone's going to want updates and pictures.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not going nowhere, so.
All right, brother.
All right. Thank you so much for everything. I'll see you in a couple months.
Okay. If things go right, maybe when you go on vacation, I'd be able to board her for you. We'll see, but we'll just see how things go.
See how it goes.
All right.
Not worried about it.
Okay, back up, back up. There you go. I don't want her to see me looking at her. My other dogs are barking like crazy. I have them in the crates. Well, that's it, everybody. She's gone on to greener pastures. Hopefully everything's going to be just fine, and she's going to be one happy girl. I really appreciate everybody's support and love that you've given to her and to me. It's been one hell of an experience, a good experience, a really good experience, and I'll miss her dearly. You guys know that. I know you guys will miss her too. All right, I'm gonna let y'all go, and on to the next dog that needs help.